Cinnamon is one of the most popular spices around the world, and there is a good reason for it. Despite its amazing flavor and unique smell, it has potent medicinal properties which can help you in the case of various health issues. The use of cinnamon can be of great help in the case of diabetes, especially if it is consumed on a daily basis, as it has a powerful anti-diabetic effect and effectively lowers blood glucose levels. Experts believe that it has mimetic features and functions similarly to insulin, which is naturally produced by the body. 2003 study. In a small study in diabetes care, 30 people with type 2 diabetes were split into 3 groups taking 1 gram, 3 grams, or 6 grams of cinnamon supplements daily. 30 other people took a placebo. After 40 days, everyone taking cinnamon had lower glucose, triglycerides, low-density lipoprotein, LDL or bad cholesterol, and total cholesterol levels. The placebo group saw no change. The findings of a team of researchers from the University in California suggest that this spice contains a substance known as methyl hydroxychalcone, which has strong anti-diabetic effects and lowers the levels of glucose in the blood, which is the main cause of obesity and weight gain. You need to lower the levels of glucose if you want to lose extra pounds. Furthermore, this spice has potent antifungal properties. The recommended daily dosage of cinnamon is 2 tablespoons, and this is how to use it to achieve the best effects. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. In the case of diabetes, use only 1. 1 tablespoon of whole oats. 1 glass of water. Instructions: mix all ingredients well, and consume the mixture twice daily for 15 days. You should then take a break as it can affect your intestinal flora. You can expect the initial effects in a week.